Hello everyone, this is Kevin from the technical team of the HTBC After Sales Department. Today, I will introduce you the gear shifting operation methods of this XCIENT AMT model. I hope through today's video, it will provide you with a better driving experience. XCIENT AMT model, equipped with German ZF 12-speed automated manual transmission, which features either driving mode, off-road mode, creeping mode, and other functions. Fully understanding the shifting methods of this transmission can help you drive the vehicle better, reduce fuel consumption, and minimize the occurrence of malfunctions. This XCIENT AMT model features a user-friendly column shifter design, with a gear lever located at the lower right of the steering wheel. When shifting gears, you can use a gear knob to switch to neutral, N, drive, D, reverse, R, no speed forward, DM, no speed reverse, RM. The current gear information will be displayed in real time on the instrument panel. When shifting gears, the vehicle's gear control modes are divided into manual mode and automatic mode. The vehicle defaults to automatic mode when powered on. In D gear, we can switch it using the AM button on the gear lever. When the instrument panel shows a double-headed arrow, it indicates automatic mode. When it shows a single direction arrow, it indicates manual mode. It is generally recommended to use automatic mode while driving. When our vehicle is starting on an uphill or driving on other complex road conditions, we can press the AM button on the gear lever to switch to manual mode and select the appropriate gear for the road conditions. At this time, the instrument panel will display a single direction arrow. In manual mode, push the gear lever down to shift down one gear, or pull it up to shift up one gear. The current gear information will also be displayed in real time on the instrument panel for the driver to view. We have just introduced the details of the gear position of this vehicle, and next we will demonstrate the practical operation of shifting gears. First, press down the brake pedal. Start the engine. Wait until the air pressure rises to at least 6 bar. Then use a gear knob to select D. And in automatic mode, the vehicle defaults to start in 3rd gear or 5 gear. Release the parking brake. Release the brake pedal and gently press the accelerate pedal, and the vehicle will start moving slowly. So we smoothly control the accelerate pedal, the vehicle will automatically shift gears. It is prohibited to shift directly in neutral while driving, cause coasting in neutral does not reduce fuel consumption and may instead damage the transmission, leading to greater losses. When we intend to reverse the vehicle, we should first ensure it is completely stopped. Then turn the gear selector to the R. Release the parking brake. Release the brake pedal and gently press the accelerate pedal, and the vehicle will start to move backward. Finally, when we want to park, we should first bring the vehicle to a complete stop. Then turn the gear selector to the N. And finally, engage the parking brake to prevent the vehicle from slipping. We hope you enjoyed watching our video. Thank you.